For months, gold was unstoppable, breaking records, defying inflation, and dominating headlines. But now it's starting to fall. Is this just a correction or the beginning of a gold crash? And what's behind it? The US dollar, China, or global fear turning into profit taking? Let's uncover the truth behind the 2025 money war, gold versus the dollar. Over the past year, gold prices soared as investors lost faith in paper currencies. US debt hit record highs. Inflation remained sticky. Central banks across Asia and the Middle East started buying gold in bulk, reducing dependence on the dollar. It looked like gold was becoming the new global reserve. But every boom has a pause, and gold's moment of truth has arrived. So why is gold suddenly losing shine? Analysts point to three key reasons. 1. Profit-taking. After months of gains, big investors are locking in profits. 2. Stronger US dollar. The dollar index is climbing again as US bond yields rise. 3. Global uncertainty cooling down. As short-term fears fade, money is flowing back to equities. In simple terms, when confidence returns to the economy, gold takes a backseat. But this story isn't just about price charts, it's about power. China has been quietly stockpiling gold to reduce dollar dependency. The US is defending the dollar's global dominance. This isn't a physical war, it's a currency war. The side that controls the store of value controls the future of global finance. In 2025, that war is intensifying, with gold and the dollar as the main weapons. So what does this mean for you? Experts suggest watching the $1,900 to $2,000 range carefully. If gold stays above that, it's likely a correction, not a crash. But if it breaks below key support levels, we could see panic selling. Diversification remains key. Mix assets, stay liquid, and avoid emotional trading. Remember, gold's long-term story hasn't changed, but the short-term game is volatile. Gold and the dollar are locked in a global power struggle, one built on fear, trust, and value. Whether gold crashes or rebounds, this war will shape the future of money. Stay informed, stay prepared. Subscribe to Money Source, where smart investors learn before they earn.